I did come to the open house and I saw all the cool mannequins and the beds that we used, and I met the teacher and the environment was great. Wasn't sure about teaching or health careers, but once I started at TEC, it really showed me that I wanted to help people in this way by helping them feel better. Healthcare, it's gonna take me far, and by having a nursing program at SE4, the CTMC program, the Career and Technical Middle College program, is what I'm in right now, and that's really gonna take me right into college.
My name is Christina Howard and I am TEC Health Careers.